Welcome to J&J's test video for LANS171. This is a 2010 Nissan 370Z Roadster. It has 3.7 that runs nice and smooth and an automatic transmission. Car only has 30,900 miles on it. Somebody really liked it. They put Stillen intakes on it, did all this little trim and silicone hoses and little trinkets all over, and so the color is the white pearl. It has a set of plastic up wheels that we're going to pull off and have the coating taken off. The doors and the rear bumper and the taillights are in nice condition. The deck lid's in nice condition. Convertible top works. All the LEDs in the taillights work. I mean, it's a low mileage car. Has some damage here as well. And you can see on the wheels, they're just plasti dipped, so we'll get that cleaned off. We'll have these seats repaired. This is a sport package car. There's our mileage. See if I can get a better read of it. 30,938 miles. There's your little rails. We'll show you the transmission. Here's drive. Has no navigation. That's a little cubby. Somebody put this stick-on carbon fiber on here. See all around here. Alright, now let's show you the top works. Let's see here. Put my foot on the brake. Wash my head. Voila! We have a roof up. Heater controls work. All that. No little temp in the oil. That'll do it for this 370. Oh. LANS171. One of the last real sports cars they make. You can still buy new. 370Z. 31,000 miles. Running, driving example. You can visit our website at jnjoh.com. You can visit our eBay store where we list everything for sale. You can call us toll free with any questions or orders. 1-800-425-1555. You can visit our Instagram and our Facebook page. Check out YouTube for some of the content that people put on there. And as always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.